Hi, my name's Paul Preston. I'm the founder of Property Success. So my business, Property Success, we help teach, train and educate people to become financially free through property, build an investment portfolio, largely using none of their own money. So before we attended the Digital Marketing Masterclass with James Nicholson, the challenge that we were having in our business was really just getting our message out there more. The clients we work with were certainly getting incredible results, but we just wanted more people to know about us so we could just raise our profile in business really and get the message out there more. So before we attended the training with James, we'd actually tried things to get a result ourselves. So we'd had a look at Facebook ads, I'd had a look at things like ClickFunnels and lead pages, and we've got some okay results, but to be completely honest with you, we didn't really know what we were doing. It was a little bit add some money on there and launch, boost the adverts and see what happened. And we got okay results, but I just knew there was a much better way to do it. In a really nice way, we didn't quite know what we were doing. We had a good go, but this weekend, this event has helped us take everything we're doing to a completely next level. The Digital Marketing Masterclass with James is going to change our business in many different ways. Number one, we've got a lot more structure and clarity now. So we really have a marketing plan instead of just trying to do more and trying to improve, which of course is great intention, but we just didn't really have any clarity and structure. So now we've got that, we're clear about where we are, where we want to get to, the steps that we need to take, and James has helped and coached us through every single step along the way. We're clear about the proportion and ratio of content we want to put out there, the different ways to release that content, how to repurpose it. So for example, not just doing a video, but doing a video, turning that into a blog post, getting it transcribed, stripping out the audio and making that into an MP3 file, posting on social media. So now we've got a lot more collateral without actually any more work. On top of that, there's a lot of new platforms that we're looking at on James's recommendations. So particular tools that we can now use, again, ultimately to share our message more, to help more people. And we've also, one of the most valuable things that's going to make a huge impact for us is the work we've done with James on Facebook ads. So how to create campaigns, how to launch the ads, how to give content, how to build your retargeting lists so that you really warm your traffic and people get to know you, so that you become familiar and they get to trust you as well, so that they will want what you've got to offer. Financially, I would have thought that the return on working with James over these 3 days will be in the tens of thousands of pounds, if not more likely to make a difference in excess of £100,000 a year additional income because of what we've learned through working with James. So the advice I give to anyone who's thinking about attending the Digital Marketing Masterclass with James is that it is absolutely essential if you're serious about growing a business. Because if you're serious about growing a business, then firstly, you need customers, you need traffic, you need to build your profile. How are you doing that? Because the traditional ways of advertising don't work, are very outdated, they're not very cost effective. But once you can connect with people in the social age, in the digital age, online, and you can stimulate conversation and you can reach out to people and really open your doors so people get to know you, like you, trust you, you can warm them and they're ready to do business with you. When you know how to do this, the difference in your business is not only massive return on time, but it's massive return on investment as well, because you can target very, very specifically. So if you want to truly connect with customers, if you want to build a brand, build a vision, and if you're serious about growing your business, this event is essential.